Can you actually buy a home without showing any income to qualify? Believe it or not, this loan program right here will allow you to. Instead of looking at your personal income, it uses your down payment and equity to qualify you. This video is going to be an exact breakdown using real examples of how you can qualify to buy a home using this no income loan. So with that being said, let's dive in. So here is our 30-year fixed no income loan. 720 is going to be our minimum FICO to get this going. So we do need to have good FICO scores. The rate is a little bit higher at 8.75%, but this is a no income loan. So you're always going to have a higher interest rate. My example is going to be at 500,000 and the requirement is going to be 20% down. So we're going to need 100,000 in order to make this happen. We also have a 9-month reserve requirement, and we will calculate exactly how much that reserve amount is going to be once we figure out what the monthly payment will be. Now, at this $500,000 purchase price, I know the total payment, given this interest rate, is going to be $38.05 per month. So here's our payment. And now that we have our payment, we can figure out how much reserves are going to be needed. So we got to multiply this number by 9, and we know $34,245 needs to be sitting in the bank. That's right, money sitting, not used for the transaction, which means we need a total of $134,245, assuming the seller is going to pay all of our closing costs. So main benefit for this program is there is no income qualifying. So you don't have to do an alternative way to qualify your income, like a bank statement loan, or use DSCR to use the projected rental income. This is just no income, you qualify, 20% down, you're good to go. It does have to be your primary residence. So do keep that in mind, because a lot of other programs that operate just like this are only on investment properties. But if you're looking for a different way to qualify with a lower interest rate and maybe lower FICO scores, there are other programs available with just 10% down and a lot more lax. They just have to qualify your income in some way, shape, or form. Now you know exactly how to use the no income loan to qualify and buy a primary residence. And if you want to utilize this loan program to buy a home yourself, click the link in the description below to book a mortgage consultation with me.